took over the entire Marriott Hotel for 3 nights. These young adults invested over $250,000 in Oakland in 3 nights. And I told the Concord City officials, can you imagine? If you have a place for us, you can be sure that we'll use Concord as a central place. These young adults came from all over the country. They are young professionals, they are engineers, they are doctors, they are scientists, they are everything. And you all know how we are, the Igbos. So, it's up to you. The Igbos, we have everything, but what we lack is each other. If we bring it up and have each other, the sky is our limit. So I appeal to you, just see what the Igbo Union does. We have